So here are a couple of freaky incidents that recorded when we were cruising along. First one here is coming downhill, and this semi-truck decides to do a U-turn right in the middle of a freeway. Thanks a lot, dude. Had to hit the binders pretty good on that one. That's going along the San Luis Reservoir. The next one is this guy. You got to see how this guy merged. Okay, so you see the merge lane here. Nobody's in the merge lane. Nobody's in the merge lane. So we're pretty well almost past the merge lane at this point. As it's ending, you see how it says the right lane ends. Cruising along, no problems. This is on I-5 headed north towards Stockton, California. And you see the lane ends. Okay, everything's cool now. We're back to 2 lanes. Until suddenly, whoa, this guy decides to pass me on the shoulder. Welcome to California. I'm still alive, everyone. Cheers.